Don't worry, I'm here. You can stay with me.
Leo, who are you talking to?
My friend.
What friend?
You can't see him. His name is Max.
Oh, okay.
Max listens to me.
That's nice. David, we need to talk.
Okay, I'm listening. What happened?
I don't know. Leo has an invisible friend.
Maybe it's imagination.
You think so? He says Max listens.
Max, they don't understand. You always listen. Dad is busy. Mom is tired. Max plays with me.
Let's play tonight.
Max is playing.
Can I join Max?
Okay.
Hi, Max!
Max says you roll first.
Thank you, Max.
He likes you.
Dinner is ready.
Coming, Mom! Max is coming too.
Of course.
Max likes spaghetti.
Good choice.
You look happy.
Max is quiet.
Let's go to the park tomorrow.
Yes, the park! That sounds wonderful. Max loves the park. I love this!
We love it too.
Good night, Max.
Thank you.
Wake up.
Max is sleeping.
Race you to breakfast!
Max, look!
Throw it higher!
Okay.
Yes! Great job! Ready, Leo?
I can do it!
We're proud of you.
Max is quiet again.
What do you feel?
I don't feel alone.
We're here, buddy.
Max doesn't need to stay.
Are you sure?
Yes. Goodbye, Max.
We'll always listen.
Always.
Let's go home.
Okay, buddy.
Let's go home.
Race you!
I'm happy.
We are too.
Hug time!
We love you.
So much, sweetie.
Thank you for telling us.
Thank you for listening.
Sometimes children create friends.
Because they feel alone. But love makes them strong. Listening changes everything.
Hee.
Game night tomorrow?
Yes!
I'm so proud.
I don't need Max now.
We're here. And that was enough.